There is no reason for robots to be shaped like humans. This is everything that's wrong with technology in a single product. I mean, the foundational principle of good design is form follows function. The shape of something should be dictated by what it's meant to do. A spoon is shaped like a spoon because it's meant to hold liquid. A spoon is a good complement to a hand because it can do things a hand can't do on its own. A robot hand is not better than a spoon. That is form mimicking form, not function. It's complexity for its own sake. I mean, just think, if humans struggle to do certain tasks, why would you replace them with something that's shaped like a human? You're building in all of these same vulnerabilities. I mean, for most things, wheels are better than legs. Cavemen figured this out. I mean, Elon Musk is trying to build these humanoid robots with legs, but it's like, why do you think Tesla cars have wheels? I mean, technically, you could build a car that ran on legs, but why would you? That's just needless complexity. They're trying to build these humanoid robots that do, like, everything, but all they're doing is ensuring the fact that they're not going to do anything particularly well. I mean, we can barely build a washer that's also a dryer. What makes you think we're going to build a janitor that's also a dentist? It's stupid. I mean, really what it is, this is human arrogance. When we think about intelligence, for some reason we see a reflection of ourselves. So we think if something's going to be smart, it has to look like us, has to walk like us, and think like us. But it's like, I mean, if fish were as smart as humans, they would build a robot that looks like a fish, and it wouldn't be able to go on land.
Very, very true. In a practical sense, yes. But when it comes to humans, we are a bundle of neuroses, fears, and anxieties. If we ever put a robot that is fully robotic, most humans would be afraid to interact with it. This is because we always want something that's familiar, something that looks like us. That's why most robot designers make robots look like humans. Another reason is because of investors. An investor, as you have said, I don't want to criticize investors so that they don't feel some type of way. They usually help a lot. But most investors will invest in a product that looks like humans because it takes a lot of effort to achieve that level of detail. There's a robot, I don't remember its name, but it was even made a citizen of Saudi Arabia simply because of how it looks. So you're very, very right. Unfortunately, we do things that are less than ideal in order to accommodate human beings. I think another reason to design robots that way is so that they can go through human spaces. For example, instead of using wheels, they use feet or legs or whichever mode that can accommodate their movements within buildings that have stairs. I'd say those are the three things that come from the top of my head. Well, the ego thing is true, it's very true.